How to fix your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error that you might be getting when trying to install an app that says, your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel, because that really helps me out. So to fix your device isn't compatible with this version of Android, the first thing we need to do is open up the settings on our Android phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to the bottom and select System. From here, if you have more options like me, select System Update or Software Update, and then make sure it checks for an update, and if there is an update available, go ahead and install that update. Now if you're still getting this device isn't compatible with this version of Android again, open up the settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. From here, select App List or All Apps, and scroll down and find the Google Play Store. Then, select the three dots in the top right and select Uninstall Updates. Then just confirm that you want to replace this app with the factory version. Select OK, it'll go ahead and uninstall the Google Play Store. After that, reinstall it and see if this fixes your issue. If it doesn't fix it for you, go back to the settings and select Apps again. Go back to All Apps, and then once you're on All Apps in the top right, select the three dots and select Show System. From here, scroll down until you get to Google Play Services. Right here it should be above Google Play Store. And then do the same thing by tapping the three dots in the top right. Select Uninstall Updates and confirm. Now you can go back and try to install that app, and you should no longer get your device is incompatible with this version of Android. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel King IT Tech. Thank you so much for watching.